Guys, it's your boy Jack back with another video, and today I'm in a creek in a national park, Yaaaa Valley National Park, with my family, and we are doing a creek hike. But if you want to see more creek hikes or more hikes like this, like I have some from California, I have a couple of pictures from Florida. They might not be up by now, but I have to edit all of them. I have over like 500, so there's quite a few clips. But if you guys want to see more of this, just like the video. It will tell me. But let's get right into the clip. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button in the face, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you want to see all my latest posts and all my old posts. But see you guys in the next